Hi everyone, Cherie here. Today I'm going to create a Traveller's Notebook spread, just documenting the new creative team announcement with Felicity Jane. Very excited that I'm continuing on and I keep getting to create different projects for you. So I've got some of the Bailey papers here already cut out, and I think I'm going to match the photo with those two papers there. Love those colours. Please excuse the birds flying past, they're so loud. I've also gone ahead and cut out, I just hand cut all of these hearts from different papers from the Bailey kit. So I've just hand cut those, and then I've punched a hole in the top of each, you might be able to see that there, using this punch. It's a 1/16 inch circle punch from We Are Memory Keepers. So it's got a very tiny little hole for this one, which was perfect for what I wanted to do today. I'm thinking I'm going to add a piece of twine down the center of the page, and then my hearts are all going to be threaded onto that twine. So that's my plan. We'll see how it actually turns out. So I think my journaling will go onto a tag that I want to tuck in behind the photo, and I have already cut out this piece using the Shea metal tag dies, so that little piece is ready to go. So I think that's it. I do have another few little bits and pieces here. The Jenny word stickers. I've got the Yay word from the Jenny Puffy stickers. And I've also got the Harper stamp set here. There's a phrase that I might add onto this page as well. So I think I'll get started. I'll pop you on fast forward and show you how I'm going to put this together. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to stick my photo down onto that yellow pattern paper, and then that is going to be stuck down onto the pink pattern paper. And I'm going to grab my sewing machine and add some stitching across the top of that before I stick it down. I'll do borders around each page, and I'm going to also add some messy stitching to the center of each of the hearts, which you can see there. And I'm just showing you where I've got that stitching done. Alright, so I'm going to work on this hearts page first. I've got all of my hearts here. They've all got holes punched in them. So I'm just working out which order I want these to go in. And then I'm going to thread each of the hearts onto the twine in the correct order. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. It was a little bit fiddly getting the twine through there, but I got there in the end. So now I'm going to staple the twine to the top and bottom of the page. You can see all my hearts are all mixed in together at the moment, but as you'll see in a minute, I can go ahead and spread them all out. I want them to be slightly overlapping each other, so I'm just working that out now. And to stick these down, I'm going to add a foam dot on the outside of each of these hearts. So you'll see there, I'm just tucking it under that outside edge and sticking each of these hearts down onto the page. So that's just adding some nice dimension to this page. Alright, so they're all stuck down. I'm going to add a quote from the Harper stamp set. It says, "Start and end each day with a grateful heart." So I'm going to stamp that onto some plain white cardstock, just using black ink for that one. And now I will go ahead and trim that one up a little bit. And I'm going to adhere this across the middle of that page. I've also got foam dots behind that one. And that's just going straight across the middle of the page on top of those hearts there. So I'm really happy with how that page has turned out. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the first page now. So I've just got adhesive on the outside edges of this piece, and that's so that I can tuck my journaling tag in underneath at the top there. So the photo's stuck down. I've got my title, which is the Yay Puffy word stick from the Jenny kit. I've got the Happy Day word sticker from the Jenny kit as well, going onto that little die cut label there. And now I'm going to stick those down. So that is my title for this spread. Just making a little adjustment there with that label. Wasn't quite centered well enough. Alright, so I've got my tag here that I cut out using the Shea Tag Builder metal die set. And I'm going to also add this little heart label just to the top of the photo there before I finish off this tag. So I don't have my journaling on this tag yet, but I would do add that after I finished filming. I didn't want to waste time doing that while I was filming the process. Alright, so I've just stuck down that little spotty tab piece, which is also one of the dies in the set, and I'm just stitching all around the outside edge of that tag with my sewing machine, adding some twine to the top of the tag and just tying a little bow, and that's just tucking in behind the top of the photo there. So to finish off, all I need to do is add the date, and I'm using my Felicity Jane roll the date stamp for that one, my favourite date stamp to use, and this spread is done. So I'll give you a closer look at these details. All I need to do is add my journaling when I am done. And I'm really happy with these cute little hearts with the messy stitching in the centres. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I put this one together today. I'll leave a link down below to Felicity Jane. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you again very soon with another project. Thank you for joining me today. Bye for now.